Okay guys, ever wanted a stylish gallery grid with custom labels and accent colors for every card? Setting all of this up manually would honestly take forever. Well, this section makes it super simple. Today we're adding this collection section to your store. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for this section. You'll find it here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down, and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme QSDizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section and search for it, then choose Collection from the results. It'll be added instantly. Now let's scroll down and customize it together. First, let's start with the layout. There are 3 different options to choose from here. Pick whichever fits your section best. Right below that, you can adjust the page width, but I won't be changing that myself since the current setting already works well for my section. Now let's move on to the heading settings. You can customize these based on your own preference, but I won't be touching most of them either since they're already fine for my section. Below that, there are label text settings you can adjust, along with grid and card settings. There are also general section settings you can customize here. Now let's move on to the gallery card. First, add an image, and if you'd like, you can toggle Hide Image. Below that, add your label text, a link, and even a label accent color. There's really quite a bit you can fine-tune per card. I'll go ahead and add all the cards this same way, step by step, based on my own preference. Once you've customized everything, just hit Save, and the section goes live on your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like, and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one, and I'm always happy to help.